أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to explore the powerful feature of Microsoft Edge. Here is Microsoft Edge is over here. This is the browser Microsoft Edge. How to explore its different features like for example Immersive Reader, and how to translate the specific for example part from your document and convert into several languages. So let's take a start. It will help you in your English subject and in all other subjects, and you can even increase your proficiency in English pronunciation and all that. You can increase that. Okay, let's take a start. Sometimes we don't know how to pronounce a specific word or sentence, or we need to convert that specific part or sentence or paragraph into another language. So the Microsoft Edge will help you to do that. So let's quickly start that. I have selected this portion. Let me select this one. It is on our web. Can you see this? It's a URL over here. Right click. Then okay, first of all we need to do what? The first step is we need to convert it into open selection in Immersive Reader. This is the first step. After the selection, it will take you to another tab. Now selected portion will appear over here. Can you see this? Are you with me till here? So fine, good. Now first of all do read aloud. Click on that.
Supercharge learning through personalization. English, maths, and science for primary, secondary and FE. Trusted by schools and colleges across the world. Combines learning science, AI, and neuroscience.
Yes, okay. Now let me increase speed. Can you see this? When you click on top right corner, voice option will appear over here. You can select slow, normal, fast, and you can change and convert it into any language. So let me select Arabic this time. Okay, then I will explore another language. Click on Arabic. This one, Arabic, Egypt, Saudi Arabia. Now click on play.
Personalization. English, math and science for primary, secondary and FE. Trusted by schools and
It's too fast. Let me control its speed. Let me make it normal.
Combines learning science, AI and neuroscience.
Okay, now let me change the language. Spanish. Okay, now let's play.
Supercharge learning through personalization.
You can convert this and translate it into any language.
Trusted by schools and colleges across the world. Combines learning science, AI and neuroscience.
Okay, now select the English language. United States.
Supercharge learning through personalization. English, maths, and science for primary, secondary and FE. Trusted by schools and colleges across the world. Combines learning science, AI, and neuroscience.
Okay, Ji, now let me try something else. Let me close this, cross that. Okay, now we need to check the reading preferences. We need to convert it, translate into another language. This whole paragraph, I want to translate this specific part into another language using then we need to listen that using read aloud option. So first of all click on that. We can even help to focus while reading by highlighting 1, 3 or 4 5 lines. Okay, Ji, where were we? Okay, we were over here, line focus. Okay, help to focus while reading by highlighting 1, 2 or 3 or 5 lines. For example, I want to focus a specific line, so I will click on this. Let me activate this. Click here, activated. Now you can see that now I'm focusing on the specific line in this paragraph. Now this is a navigation at the bottom right corner. Click here, move down, like that, go back. Good. Okay, now what I want in reading preferences, I will click here. Now I want focus on 2 lines. Now focus on 3 lines, down. Okay, go up. That's how you can use in your classes. Okay, now again reading preferences. Now I want a whole paragraph. It's focused over here. Excellent work. Okay, next thing is now picture dictionary on. Excellent. It's on now. So let me click here. Picture dictionary. Picture dictionary. Can you see this magic stick? Okay, let me click on math. This is math. Okay, what about science? Click on science. Oh, excellent. Primary. There's no primary, secondary, FE. Okay, world. What is world? Now this is the dictionary. Okay, that you can use even in your class, college, school, trusted. Okay, combine. Then science again. Then AI, artificial intelligence होना चाहिए था, but it's not over here. Okay. Then science, primary, maths, science learning, supercharged. That's it. Okay. Now let's move forward to convert this into any language. So I'm going to translate this using reading preferences. Translate it into Urdu language. You can convert it into any language. You can select from any language from here, and you can simply convert that paragraph or sentence or selected passage into other language. So click on, turn on translating. So here we are. Okay, now click on read aloud.
ज़ातियात के ज़रिए सफरचार्ज सीखना। प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और एफई के लिए अंग्रेजी, रियाजी और साइंस। दुनिया भर के स्कूलों और कॉलेजों के जरिए मोतबर। साइंस, एआई और न्यूरो साइंस सीखने को यकजा करता है।
That's it. Okay, click on pause. Okay, now click here. So go back. You can increase the speed as well that we have discussed earlier. You can change any language from here. More than 60 languages you can translate into other language. Okay, so let me cross this. Go back. Now there is a grammar tool over here. Text preferences is over here. You can change the text color, background color, like that. Okay, now you can change the font style like that. You can even add new. Okay, text spacing, click here. Can you see? That's called the text spacing, like that. Okay, now let me go back. Grammar tool, what we are having in grammar tool. Okay, text preferences done, text spacing done. Let me cross this. You can even make this smaller, larger, medium, and like that. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, now grammar tool. You can even use the grammar tool as well, in which you can select then parts of speech, highlight all noun, verbs and adjectives. Okay, highlight the nouns. Okay, highlight noun. Now go back. We'll highlight the nouns. Read loud.
ज़ातियात के ज़रिए सफरचार्ज सीखना।
Yes, go back. Let me cross this. Let me highlight. Okay, they all are noun. Okay, now verb. There's no verb there. Adjective है तो adjective को highlight कर लें. Adverbs with this color, you can even change the color. Okay, moving towards the other tools. Thank you very much. Please, you can integrate this in your class, in Urdu class, in English class, in any class. Okay. Now let me convert this in back to again language preferences. Urdu. No, I want to convert this into English. Back to English. English. So press E. When you press E, it will appear over here like that. No, we are back now. Finally, we are back. Let me select any language from here. Chinese, simplified Chinese. It's translating. Good, translated successfully. Now click on read aloud.
通过个性化增强学习，小学、中学和联邦英语、数学和科学受到世界各地学校和学院。
Now let me change this paragraph into another language. Click on cross. Now reading preferences, change the language into which we are having Urdu over here. Translating. ज़ातियात के ज़रिए supercharge सीखना. Primary, secondary. Sorry, it's me. Okay, now let me click on read aloud.
ज़ातियात के जरिए समाचार सीखना। प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और एफई के लिए अंग्रेजी, रियाजी और साइंस। दुनिया भर के स्कूलों और कॉलेजों के जरिए मोतबर। साइंस, एआई और न्यूरो साइंस सीखने को यकजा करता है।
Bingo! Excellent, well done job. It's a very good job by Microsoft using Microsoft this Edge browser. It will help you a lot, even in your Urdu subject, English subject, science subject. Come on, teachers, use this in your online classes. Come on, please, and please, if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel, and please come. Okay? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.